Want to know how to make a personal or planner task from a team's post? It's easy, and you'll never miss another deadline given only in the posts area. Click on the post to select it, then click the More Options, 3 dots icon, in the upper right corner. Click Create Task. From here under Create In, you can choose to add the task to your private tasks or to an existing planner. You can change the name of the task if you want to. Add a due date. If you choose a planner, then you can even select a bucket for the task. Click Add Task. If you choose Private Task, it will display in your email under To Do, either on the left under the blue checkmark icon, or on the right from the To Do icon. Now you can stay abreast of any dates you need to meet. That's it. You're done.